August 21st to 24th, you can see we got a little streak of green on the calendar, and that's Mars sextile Chiron. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of other things, and Mercury also pulls into the mix. So Mercury is going to trine Chiron and then sextile Mars. So we've got communication in this mix too. Awesome. Here's an opportunity to take action toward repair. Mars sextile Chiron. Open a line of communication, heal a rift, mend equipment, or stand up for yourself. Take a stand. Mars is in a good place, making these days suitable for physical activity, body work, or healing treatments, other than surgeries. Spoonies. If you're a spoonie and you have limited energy throughout your day, you'll have a few extra moving into this weekend. So it might be that you can plan a little more, do a little more, get out and do things that ordinarily might be overwhelming or a bit too strenuous. So get those things crossed off your to-do list. On the job, look for a hybrid solution. Chiron is a half beast, half human. So we're looking for hybrid solutions or a remix that combines the best of different time periods, cultures, systems, or schools of thought. We're taking the best of all worlds and amalgamating them together into something that works in today's context, in the context that you are in. The weekend's Taurus moon opens the door to get grounded, put your fall garden in, or make some money. Awesome. We love that.